Hey everyone, I'm Ria from 360 Automation. Ever feel like managing an apartment building is a juggling act with a million things in the air? From leaky faucets to finding the perfect tenant, it can be seriously overwhelming. But what if I told you there's a game-changing way to not just manage, but supercharge your rental properties? We're talking about AI automation. It's not some futuristic fantasy. It's happening right now, and it's completely transforming how apartments are run. Think about it. Tedious tasks that used to eat up hours of your time, AI can handle them in a flash. So, what exactly is AI automation in real estate? Imagine smart software that learns and gets better over time, taking over things like answering tenant questions instantly with chatbots, streamlining the whole rental application process, and even recommending the perfect apartment to potential renters, like a matchmaking service for housing. Why are so many apartment managers making the switch? Simple. Traditional methods are often slow, error-prone, and can leave tenants feeling frustrated. AI steps in to offer smarter, faster solutions, boosting efficiency and keeping everyone happier. Let's dive into some cool ways AI is making life easier. Picture virtual leasing agents working 24/7, answering inquiries and booking tours without you lifting a finger, or AI sifting through rental applications in record time, helping you find the best tenants while reducing bias. And get this, AI can even personalize apartment recommendations, making the whole process smoother for everyone. But it doesn't stop there. Maintenance nightmares? AI can automate the whole process, from logging requests to scheduling repairs, ensuring things get fixed faster. And tenant portals powered by AI keep everyone in the loop with real-time updates. Happy tenants are key, right? AI helps here too. It can automate rent reminders and payment processing, making finances a breeze. Plus, AI-powered communication tools keep residents informed and engaged, building a stronger community. For property managers, AI is like having a super smart assistant. It analyzes tons of data to give you valuable insights, helping you make better decisions on everything from pricing to identifying areas for improvement. Got multiple properties? AI can provide a unified overview, helping you forecast and optimize your entire portfolio. And when it comes to protecting your investment, AI can even flag potential risks and detect fraud. Looking ahead, the future of AI in apartment management is seriously exciting. Think voice-activated assistants, drone inspections, and even AI optimizing energy usage. And the best part? These tools are becoming accessible to everyone, whether you manage a small complex or a large portfolio. So the bottom line is this: AI isn't just a trend. It's the future of apartment and rental management. By embracing these technologies, you can save time, reduce costs, keep your tenants happy, and ultimately gain a real competitive edge. Ready to see how AI can revolutionize your rental properties? Contact 360 Automation in Kansas City today for a personalized consultation, and let's explore how AI can help you modernize your property management strategy. It's time to work smarter, not harder.